What is launch jacking in the affiliate marketing? Launch jacking is nothing but reviewing or promoting the products which is not launched yet. That means the products which are yet to launch, but before launching the product, we will get the affiliate link and promote the products, and will come to the first page of Google or in the YouTube, and will earn commission. Now we are inside the manchai.com, and inside the manchai.com we will find lot of products like 21st September, 22nd September, 23rd, 24th, and these products will launch on those dates. And we have to do one thing, that we have to apply for the approval of affiliate link, and we will promote the product. And how we can do that? There are mainly three major platforms are there. One is Oriel Plus, second is JViju, and third is Pay Kickstart. Pay Kickstart, and some products are there from ClickBank. So we have to sign up inside the Oriel Plus and JViju and Pay Kickstart first, and we have to apply for the product approval. How we can do that? I'm showing you. For any product like say for 24th September, we can apply for this product. And here we'll come to this page, and just click on the JV page section, and we'll come inside the JV page now. And here you will find that get link section. And inside the get link section, you will find this page. Will come to this page. Here it is showing that launch date is 24th of September, 8 a.m. And you can, if you want, you can check about the vendor, like here. That vendor is a good vendor. Previous products, these are the previous products released by this vendor. 7 products previously released, and he is a good rating. He got a good rating, so we can definitely promote this product. So for getting approval, we need to click here request approval, and we need to say something, that who I am and how I want to promote. That I have written something. I just write this, that I am Niladri Mojumdar, a full-time blogger and affiliate marketer. I am experienced in affiliate marketing. Like that you can write. And if you have any kind of blog post or YouTube channel, you can give that address also here. That like that I put my address, website address here. So you just click on request, and your request is sent now. Here it will be shown that cancel request, so you can cancel anytime. So within 1 or 2 days, this person is going to approve me. Sometimes they will not approve your request. No problem, you will apply for more products again, and after applying at least 10, if you apply for the 10 products, at least 5 or 6 products you will got approval. So no problem. On the first times, if you are a beginner, they will not approve, because there is no sale there in this Oriel Plus network, so they may not approve your request. But after getting some sales, they will approve all your requests. And there are some other platforms like JViju is there. We click here and we will redirect it to JViju platform. Here we will click now JV page, and we will redirect to the JViju platform, and here get link, and the same way we can apply for the product approval. And we can check the vendor profile from here. Seller is top 1% seller, so definitely we can request for the same also. So we will use the same lines here. I am not a robot, and request approval. So they will approve me within 24 hours or 24 hours. Is already get approved because this person is not putting his settings of getting or giving approval, will directly they have approved this one. So I got my affiliate link for it. We can copy this one and we can use this for promotion. So what we can do, we can create, now after getting that approval, what we can do, we will create some videos, some review videos or some blog post. The review post we can create like that. I'm showing you recently I create one video on VidMagnet. VidMagnet also is a product from Courier Plus network. Yes, here it is, the VidMagnet. This is the product, and this is already, it is already released product, and this is the JV page, and I got approval and I create one video on that. This is the video I have created where I have discussed something about the product. That means what are the pros, cons, and what are the uses of this product, and about the review. That means I put on some small demo also, and how you can get the demo access or review access. I'm showing you. For most of the products you will find the JV page, and inside the JV page you will find the JV doc. Like this, you will find here the JV doc, and if you go inside the JV doc, you will find the review access. Here also you will get the review access. I'm showing you where it is. Yes, here it is, the review access. This is the review access page, and this is the username. We'll use this username, and sometimes they will not give the review access here, so you need to send a mail to them that I want to promote, or you want to promote the product, and they will send you the review access. Review access is not working now, but you will find some other products. But when I got this, I got the review access, but somehow they have inactive this one, and I have made one video on that. You can see the video here. Hello friends, VidMagnet is a shop, and here I have given the complete demo of that product. After giving some description that what VidMagnet is about, and I have given something, here it is. Next, here is the review access. Inside the review access, and we are inside the members area now, and here I have given the complete demo of the product. So you have to do the same. You have to go inside the review access, and you have to go that members area, and you need to give a small demo, and you need to give the complete review of the product. You can, if you don't want to create videos, no problem, you can write articles, you can write small video, if you can write small review article on your website, that's all you can do. But you have to give some bonuses also with that. How you can give the bonuses? There are so many websites like IDPLR. This is a website, free PLR downloads. From here you will get lot of books, lot of ebooks you will get, and you can use some video courses. If you have any video course, you get video courses as a free giveaway, and on free bonuses. So on that case, people will purchase from your affiliate link. This bonus, giving a bonus is very important, and to give the bonuses, what you have to do, you just need to go here, and like VidMagnet, you need to, after approval, your link will be look like this. You just have to go there, link setting, and here you have to put your bonus link, and inside this link you have to give all your bonuses, whatever the bonuses you want to give, you have to put the link inside that. So they will receive, if somebody purchase a product from your affiliate link, they will receive the complete bonuses, whatever the bonus you will give inside the Warrior Plus purchase dashboard. Next to their purchase product, they will find a link that will be your link, and you don't need to send the bonuses separately. They will receive the bonus with the product. Next to their purchase product, they will receive this bonuses of yours. So what you can do, you can download some ebooks and give some bonuses with this product, and you need to mention the bonuses on that review. So what I have already mentioned inside that what are the bonuses I'm giving. Here I mention that what are the bonuses I'm giving with that product. So recently these are the bonuses, that 16 bonuses I'm giving. So I'm not running this video. There are 16 bonuses I'm giving, so I have already mentioned in that video. So I have recently created this video only 2-3 days back, and I got one conversion also. I'm showing you. Here it is. I just refresh it for you. I got the down sell only, and down sell is only about $15, and I got $7.66 commission, and I am expecting a upsell for that because they have that funnel inside the lead magnet. They have that funnel. That front end price is $17 only, and there are some OTOs are there, upsells are there. So if they like that front end product, they will definitely purchase the upsells also. So this way you can also create a video, and this is the concept of launch jacking. And this way you can create videos, or if you don't want to show your face, you can create a small review in your website, and you can get conversions. So that's it for today. If you like this video, definitely hit the like button, and also subscribe my YouTube channel, and also hit the bell notification, because whenever I publish a new video, you will be get notified instantly. So that's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye.